Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how you can upload longer videos in your Instagram stories. So let's dive in. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Instagram, and what we are going to do is create a new story. You can do that by clicking on the top of your screen, the plus button, and I'm just going to allow access to my camera and my microphone. If you haven't done that, you can do that and you will be able to create videos in your story. And I'm just going to look for a video that is longer than 60 seconds. And I have found my video, and we are going to use this video. And as you can see, the feature is here. Introducing longer stories. Videos up to 6 seconds will no longer be divided into segments. And now, as you can see, I have my full 60-second segment video on Instagram. And you can do a lot of things. You can shorten your segment all the way up to 10 seconds. And you can scroll it to a segment that you want to use in your Instagram story. As you can see, I've selected my segment. I want to use this segment. And if you want to upload more than 60 seconds, then you would have to re-upload your video as per segments. Like this video is 3 minutes, I would have to upload the first 60 seconds, then come again and upload after the first 60 seconds to maintain the flow of the video. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching.